Hi guys, welcome to another video. Are you sending SMS campaigns and you don't have any idea about how it's actually working? If so, we are introducing the link tracker in Odoo 18. Not only tracking the link, but also we can assign a certain person to track all of those links. We have so many advantages in link tracking, which includes improve campaign optimization, enhance your audience insight, and real-time performance monitoring. So let's move on to the video. So guys, here you can see already created SMS campaign in the SMS marketing dashboard. So here we have so many configured options like title, recipient, all are filled. The title is actually Christmas promo and the recipient is already filtered. And here we got 7 matching records and the SMS content is actually this weekend incredible promotion for Christmas. And they are just added a link based on this particular message. So here you can understand this business person is actually sharing a promotion for Christmas messages to his customers using our SMS marketing. And we already discussed about how we can insert a specific link using insert field in the SMS content. Okay, so you can see this icon. This is insert field. While you clicking here, okay, you can get another wizard like this and you can add whatever you want. If you want to add any kind of link of the product, you can add using this option, or you can you want to add any kind of website link using this option, you can add. Okay, and next thing, uh, we are going to discussing about how we can track a link using the SMS message. Okay, so first of all, if the link is already created, or to automatically generate link tracker to gather analytical data and metric related to those specific link, which can be found by going to configuration in link tracker. Okay, here you can see the dashboard of link tracker and there is so many configured options like created on, which means when the link was created. Okay, so you can see the date and all the detail about the link here, and the page title, the title of the page, and the button label, which means the text displayed for the link in the SMS, and the target URL, which means the actual web address of the link. And here you can see the number, which means the number of clicks done by the customers. Okay, so our link is already created. As the result, you can see there is 3 clicks done by the customers. And after that, you can see visit page is another option and the statistics. Okay, so you can directly visit the page using this option. And here we have the statistics, which means we can get the view of statistic report, or we can get the statistic report using this particular option. And here you can search whatever you want, or you can filter whatever you want using this search bar. And here another option which is called new, we can create new link tracker using this particular option. So we are going to the previous page. While we going to the previous page, you can see our SMS marketing dashboard here, and here our SMS is drafted. Okay, so while we clicking here, we'll be back. And you all guys have an doubt, which means how can we assign a particular person to responsible, or a particular person to responsible to track all of this link? Okay, here we have the answer. You can assign a person to track all of those link using the setting option. And while we enter to the setting option, we can get another 2 option, which is called options and tracking. Here you can see the include opt out link. If we activated the include opt out link, the recipient is able to unsubscribe from the mailing list, thus avoid all future mailing. Okay, and next is responsible. Here you can see the Odoo is defaultly added Michelle admin as the responsible person. While we click here, you can add any persons from the list, or you can create your salesperson in here and you can add your salesperson as a responsible person bar. Okay, so this is how we can track the link using the SMS marketing, and how we can assign a particular person to track all of those links. Okay, I hope you all understand. So I'm not gonna incline it to extend this video. That's all for today. Have a nice day and do subscribe.